Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, June 20th, 2018. Hope you had a good trading day. Monday and Tuesday were good trading days for us on the stocks and futures side, and Forex for that matter. It's a nice stock winners. Let's look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures forum. We had a big gap down and went a little lower and then recovered a bit. We'll look at the intraday action in a moment, but right now we'll go through the daily charts of the major stuff, see what the day ended up giving us. So crude oil, the CL contract down 75 cents to 65.10. At least it's off the highs as we're in summer at this point in time. Gold down $2.10. That's new lows for the last few months. S&P cash index loses 11. NDX, that's the NASDAQ 100, loses 23.37, but you can see it recovered off the lows good. SOX down 16.3. The interesting story was the biotechs by the end of the day. It was up 52.58 points. The VIX volatility index gains 1.04 on the day to 1335. The trend closes at 0.99, and that's about where the 10-day moving average is as well at this point. NASDAQ volume finally better, not including that 3 billion share day we had on Friday. That was the fake volume of triple expiration. But we had 2.25 billion shares. That's pretty much the best we've had in about a month, except for 2 days and that triple expiration. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was negative 413. On the New York, it was negative 422. Google loses $4.89, but still near the all-time highs. Looking at a potential breakout on Google. Apple down $3.05. Netflix up 14.53 and looking good. Amazon up 11. There's new closing highs on Amazon. Why not? Tesla loses $18.28. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, gains 70 cents. Puts it back up off the lows now. Goldman Sachs loses 307. Not so pretty on the Goldman Sachs stuff. Here's a look at the intraday action. So 5-minute candles, you can see the gap down. Tried to bounce for about 10 minutes, then rolled the lows for about an hour or a little more, and then that was it. We recovered. By the time we entered lunch, we were just a little bit above where we'd opened, and then we popped up one more time in the middle of lunch. The afternoon was dead flat. Feels like summer afternoon. Just nothing. People not coming back. You can see the NASDAQ side, more of a cup and handle early and then broke out of that, but never filled the gap there either. All right, so in terms of economic data on Wednesday, we've got the current account at 8:30 a.m., Fed Chair Powell speaks at 9:30, existing home sales at 10, crude oil inventories at 10:30. And that's it. There's still some minor stuff left for the week, but overall, it's a pretty straightforward trading week, and hopefully we get more days like we've had Monday and Tuesday. Nothing to complain about. Pretty straightforward, simple stuff. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading week.